and true predictability. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This old world.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. I got my good friend Mr. K here as a special guest. Today is Monday, March 14th, and it's a day one. Today on the lunch menu we have pasta, your way, with a breadstick, baked, and green beans.
In guidance news, hey, the guidance industry chat is tomorrow, Tuesday at 11 a.m. and is about data security and privacy. The next chat is becoming a sneaker artist on March 18th at 12:30. See your email for Miss Bianchi for these and other chats. I don't know what the heck her name is.
Miss Bioki.
Bioki.
In general information, the Student Council is organizing the Mr. SHS competition on Friday, March 25th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The sign-ups for the contestants are on the Student Council Bulletin board. The deadline for signing up to be a contestant is today by 2 p.m.
There is no drama club today.
Did you know that Sutton High will host over 600 students to connect, have fun, and learn together? If you have never attended a conference before, this is your chance. The Connections Conference is this Friday, March 18th. See Miss Mo for details and to be added to the guest list.
Nice. Love the enthusiasm. News in athletics. Meet the Coach night for spring sports is tonight at 7 p.m. in the cafeteria.
In other news, oh my bad, the SHS pie eating contest is today. Watch Miss Taylor take on Mr. Loss and see who can eat a table talk pie the fastest. Place a donation to help your favorite teacher win. All money donated will go to the SHS Walk Out of Darkness. Check out this awesome video.
Big news, SHH.
Wait,
The Spring Fling...
Miss Taylor, what is your prediction for the pie fight on Monday?
You ever seen Matilda? Picture the kid with the chocolate cake.
Mr. Loss, what is your prediction for Monday's pie fight?
Pain.
You're up.
Big news, SHH. The Spring Fling Dance is back this year. The dance will be on Friday, April 1st from 7 to 10 p.m. Admission is $10 and the theme is pastel. We hope to see you all there.
Love me a good school dance. Next, for Student of the Week, Miss Hayes would like to recognize Brian Russo. Oh, there he is. Brian always enters class with a smile and exhibits a positive attitude. He is kind and considerate. He is a hard worker who puts forth his best effort and asks great questions in chemistry class. He has excellent lab skills and shows leadership in any assigned type of group work. Brian uses his class time wisely and embraces academic challenges. Additionally, Brian has fantastic school spirit. He was a superstar up on the stage at the Winter Variety Show and is seen quite frequently as part of the barnyard at SHS sporting events. Brian is an outstanding student and very deserving of this recognition. Good job, Brian.
Congrats, Brian. I love you, buddy. Mr. Lev is looking for a few more school store volunteers. Please see him if you're interested. Working for the store can help you earn service hours. Thanks.
Have an amazing day at Sutton High.
Love you guys.
Everywhere you look,